Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you the location of the spare tire tools. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now so I want to open the right rear door, and just here on top portion of the back seat you will see like a small black lever. You want to pull it towards yourself and that will release and lower the top portion of the seat. And if you look down here you will see the spare tire toolkit. To remove it, just unscrew this screw and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.